There are new details leaked about the Oppo Find X8 Mini. Remember that this device is said to be quite compact and its debut is said to be in March, along with the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, which will be the ultimate camera technology, and along with a possible Oppo Find X8s, which we don't know what its intention would be, but it will probably be a slightly cheaper edition. So now we have leaked data on the camera that could have this mini device that would be able to cover a very good range on as for photography, because it would not sacrifice the telephoto lens as if they could sacrifice other compact devices. So in this case, we are talking about 350 megapixel cameras incorporated in a very compact device. The main one would have a Sony IMX9 series sensor, so it would be a high-end sensor with optical stabilization. The periscope camera would be with optical zoom 3.5x, f2.8 aperture, and finally the ultra-wide camera with f2.0 aperture. So it is excellent news to see a very good photographic system. Here it is said that the screen would be 6.3 inches, so we estimate that the size would be very similar to the Galaxy S25 in the base model. So it is curious that they call it mini because it would not really be so small, but small enough to have a fairly comfortable grip. In this case, it must also be said that there is an Oppo Find X8 base model, but it is not as small as this Oppo Find X8 Mini would be. The truth seems to me that Oppo has taken a strategy a little weird. The Oppo Find X8 Pro I liked a lot, and I like the result that is having their cameras. But with the X series seems to be getting a little out of control, and there would be X8 Mini, X8s, X8, X8 Pro, and X8 Ultra, 5 members for its high-end series, and it seems to me an exaggeration. But let's wait for all this to be confirmed, because for now they are only rumors. It is said that the version for China would have the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, but that globally it would come out under the OnePlus brand and with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which would be very interesting to see, but it will wait, as I say, because filtration is not presentation.